Hi guys, welcome to this system. This is an ISO of last year, November. I reinstalled this SSD and it will always stay that number, right? It's a reference to the ISO that we've used to do this. It is a rolling release, which means I need to type update and some more stuff. Of course, you watch the update videos, around 110 videos, how to keep your system up to date. You watch those and then you're a skilled maintenance manager of your operating system. Topic of the video is Ctrl-Alt-F Firefox. We're going to, I think, this one, right? And we're gonna close all the other tabs, close other tabs. Topic is ArcoLinux ISO. What's ArcoLinux ISO? ArcoLinux ISO.com is where you have already gathered so much information about the Arch Linux operating system that you say, I want to buy, we're not going to buy anything. I want to build a distro, a distribution, a take of what I believe should be Cinnamon, what should be Plasma, what should be, and then you have to choose some kind of desktop, right? And so many more choices. So basically, any of the distros out there starts with making choices from booting up till shutting down, right? Everything in between, it's all about choices. And that's what we've done here. We have created tons of videos how to start from scratch with the application Arch ISO, which comes from, no doubt there, Arch Linux, who use it to create their ISO, Arch ISO. So we use that and then we go on and develop more, and then yeah, we need to have something to put this operating system on the SSD, on the hard disk. Maybe let's use ColorMars, right? The Swiss knife to install any Linux distribution on any hardware. We're at this is all for you, binge watching, right? What are the tools? What should you do? What's important? What's technical? All kinds of stuff. Everything is addressed. Anything and everything is addressed. Around here, we've made the decision to give you an XFCE. Then we said it's super easy to create something else. I think it's 6. Let's give a go, right? Use the GNOME Desktop. Why? Because we can. Carli can be anything. GNOME, XFCE, Mate, Cinnamon, Plasma, right? It can be anything. It's, again, one of those decisions. So we used to have a lot of XFCE, and then we said, let's make the jump and let's persuade people it's just a few letters, and which of course point to a package, which in turn often is a group package, which then leads to an installation of 10, 20, 100, right, packages, and then you get a desktop like Plasma. So Carli 7, we made the jump from XFCE to Plasma. And I was just thinking, let's do another jump. Let's make another jump from 7, 11, 12. Let's make a new Carli with a new desktop, right? So hence the idea to create something called Carli 12. That's one of the things. Second thing is ColorMars. ColorMars has not released, look at the date today, right? Has not released yet anything stable on 3.2.61, I think. But there is something in the pipeline, 3.3 something. We've already went to that particular branch or two. At a certain point in time, say, okay, from this code on, that will try out, that will test. We should do the same here. The Carli project is how to create your own customized ArcoLinux ISO. There's nothing more important than getting your operating system on the hardware. So we need to jump there as well to the new version of ColorMars. Then we can explain how you are going to theme Cinnamon, right? Because theming Plasma is something different than theming XFCE and so on. So people have asked that question, and these videos are out there. But with a jump like this, going from XFCE to Plasma, from Plasma to Cinnamon, you'll see me make the decisions and see the end result. So okay, so that's this, and this, that piece of the puzzle or that Lego block is going to make sure that gonna happen. So it's all about decisions in the new Carli 12 then. All right, so I guess we could call this the video, the Kickstart video. That's what we're gonna do. Is there anything else? We could take a look at the ColorMars config, but I'll check that out if that's necessary or needed. Probably is, right? Jumping from 3.261 to 3.3, probably. So a new package for Cinnamon, a new package, a new application ColorMars, a new package for the new config for ColorMars. That's already 3 tasks that I see ahead. Another thing that we can combine it with is jumping kernel, right? We could say from now on we're gonna follow the LTS kernel and stay clear of the normal Linux kernel. So many things, right? Many choices you can do, and it's all you can find it in here, ArcoLinux ISO. You can find it, more information is here, the guide. If you want to be an ISO builder, then this is the comprehensive guide to the ISO building. And the knowledge is spread over Carli project, ALCI and Ariser, and put them all together, you'll probably get all the answers for anything, right? It's all out there. But a new jump might be in order, ColorMars being the trigger. We need to go to 3.3, and then why not make the jump and say whatever, Plasma, bye-bye, we're gonna take Cinnamon. We might have a rising idea and say, let's install Linux Mint, the latest one from Cinnamon, have a look at it and compare it with the ArcoLinux Cinnamon and see, we're missing this, we're missing that, can we do anything about it? Is there other packages we could add? And stuff like that. Make our own Linux Mint on Arch. Ideas, what ifs. So this is the intro. This is where we're gonna, with the vision of what we're gonna do. Maybe not all, but anything goes, right? This is Linux, anything is possible. Only thing you require is patience and time, and watch all the videos. All right.